Standard 4th English Balbharti Unit 1 Chapter 1 Rain in the night. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Now look at the difficult words. There will be rivers in the gutters. Gutters, channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. But the pansies all get muddy. Pansies, small plants or their flowers. The flowers have purple, yellow or white velvety petals.